In this video, I want to show you how you can get this lock to work properly. Maybe you're having issues programming the lock, or you're not able to set user codes or lock and unlock it from the outside. In this video, I want to show you what you can do to get the lock to work properly. So the first thing you want to do is to consider resetting the lock. So you want to go over to the interior assembly right here. The next step is to remove the battery cover. Now to reset this lock, you want to press and hold the programming button for 15 seconds. This is the programming button right here. So press and hold it. Keep holding. Now release it, press it once more. So that's it, the reset is complete. And what you want to do next is to run the door handling detection. You want to do this to teach the lock the orientation of your door. The lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. So to do this, you want to press the programming button. Now go to the keypad. Now press 0. Hit the lock button. So you can see the movement of the bolt. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. And now you can set user codes to lock and unlock your door from the outside. So to set the code, you want to go back to the interior assembly and press the programming button. Now press 1, hit the lock button. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. So mine here is going to be 4433. Hit the lock button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. So let's test it. Okay, now to unlock, enter the code. Let's enter the code we just added. So you can see the code is active, and you can repeat the steps to add more user codes. Okay, so that's how it works. If you're having issues with this lock, the first thing you want to do is to reset it and then set the door handling detection, and then you can set new codes, and that should help fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.